Tired of your phone dying? The Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh is your ultimate power solution, a true game changer. With a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, this portable charger can juice up an iPhone 6 times, perfect for travel or busy days. But it's not just about capacity. Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology intelligently identifies your device for optimized, blazing fast charging speeds. Imagine charging two essential electronics simultaneously. Thanks to its dual USB ports, you and a friend can power up at the same time. What truly sets the Anker PowerCore apart is its unmatched reliability and Anker's reputation for quality, making it a smarter purchase than cheaper alternatives. If you're looking for the best portable charger to buy, especially for long trips or emergencies, this is a must-have. No more hunting for outlets. Just pure, uninterrupted power whenever you need it most. Ready to experience true charging freedom? Check out the Amazon link in the description to grab your Anker PowerCore 20,000 today. It's an essential electronics accessory that truly delivers on its promise for power on the go, a top choice for 2025. Don't let a dead battery ruin your day. Invest in the best portable power bank and never look back.